In equation 7, the first step is solve parentheses. What we have to do is solve for distributive parentheses. Second step, group terms. Next is to group similar terms. Third step, group terms and terms independent variables. Group the terms and the variable in the first member, and the independent terms in the second. Watch the sign of the coefficient. Beware if the sign is negative. Step 4. Invest inequality. It inverts the inequality, in that case is positive. The 5th step is transpose the terms. The 6th step is the graph. If the inequality brings one the same, in the graphic representation it will take in this representation. In this shows with a point. You put in the line of numbers, you take the inequality and you put in the line and you put in the point. 8th step, interval, and finally realizes the interval putting between claudators the inequality and puts number it infinitive. I closes in brackets.